Hello students, today we will study about birth control, different steps taken to control the birth, control the population of our country, different methods by which we can prevent birth control and stop pregnancy. Also we will study about different diseases which take place by sexual contact with an infected person. Before starting this video, I would request you to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, so let us start this video. जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि हमारी कंट्री की पॉपुलेशन दिन ब दिन बढ़ती जा रही है, बट हमारे पास जो रिसोर्सेज हैं वो लिमिटेड है. वेदर इट बी फूड और लैंड और एम्प्लॉयमेंट, people are not getting proper facilities. It becomes very difficult for government to provide sufficient food, adequate clothing, good housing and proper education to every citizens of the country. So इसलिए इस वजह से बहुत ही ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि कपल्स जो है वो फैमिली प्लानिंग करें और बर्थ को कंट्रोल करें. It is important for the couples who are in the reproductive stages to control the size of their families by having fewer children. Family planning enables a couple to decide how many children they want to have. As you must have heard, a small family is a happy family. Now the birth control can be done by preventing pregnancy in females. Pregnancy can be prevented by many methods or procedures by which the sperms produced during copulation can be prevented from meeting the ovum. It is possible to prevent fertilization. We can call them birth control measures or family planning measures or population control measures. So let us discuss them one by one. The prevention of pregnancy in women is called contraception. Please mark this term as it can be asked in the examination. Next we will talk about the different chemical methods. In chemical methods, the female use pills. There are two types of pills. One is oral pill and vaginal pill, which are made of specific drugs. The oral pills contain hormones which stop the ovaries from releasing ovum or egg in the oviduct. So ovum egg produce नहीं कर पाते, जिसकी वजह से ovulation process नहीं होता. This is a very effective method of preventing pregnancy as long as the pills are taken at right time. But इसके कुछ side effects भी होते हैं. Now there are different side effects on taking oral pills because they change the hormonal balance inside the body. It is important that the woman taking pills should have regular checkups with the doctor. The vaginal pill contains a chemical called spermicide which kills the sperm. तो इस sperm को kill करता है. Next we will talk about surgical methods. In surgical methods, the sexual organs are blocked. Like in males, the vas deferens is blocked to prevent the sperm transfer. That is called vasectomy. And in females, the fallopian tubes is blocked to prevent egg transfer. That is called tubectomy. Another method that is intrauterine contraceptive device. Short form is IUCD. इसे हम IUCD भी बोलते हैं. And in this, copper T or loop is placed in uterus, which is also called the womb, to prevent pregnancy. Pregnancy को रोकने के लिए इसे इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Next we will talk about sexually transmitted diseases. The diseases which are spread by sexual contact with an infected person are called STD or sexually transmitted diseases. जब नाजायज संबंध रखते हैं तो उससे बीमारियां फैलने की भी पॉसिबिलिटी होती है. So common examples are gonorrhea, syphilis, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which are caused by bacteria and they can spread from infected person to an healthy person.